Okay, guys, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to. Okay, so in this video, what we're gonna do a very quick problem over how to find the derivative using power rule, okay? What I mean by that is finding the derivative of a polynomial using power rule. So, yeah, that's basically what this video is gonna be about. I am gonna do a few problems here so that we kind of understand how they're done. So the first, I guess I'll do maybe 3 or 4 problems. So the first one that I'm going to do is 4x cubed minus 30x squared plus 80x minus 31, and we want to find the derivative, right? So remember the power rule, how the power rule is? The power rule says that d dx of x raised to a power n is really n times x raised to the n minus 1 power. So that is the rule we're going to use. So if we want to find the derivative, we have to take the derivative of all of these using the power rule. So, and also that d dx of a constant c is equal to 0, okay? Any constant, like constant meaning any number, right? Any number that doesn't have a variable on it, it is 0, okay? So, the way we're going to do it, so we have 4x cubed, we're going to bring it to the front, so it's going to be 3 times 4x cubed, and then we're going to subtract the 3, we're going to subtract on top here, so really, it's going to be like 3 minus 1, right? And we're going to keep going, so we're going to say minus, it's going to be the same thing, so 2, we're going to bring the 2 down, so the way we're going to bring the 2 down here, so 2 times 30 raised to the x, or 30 times x raised to the 2 minus 1 power. The 80, well, in reality, if you think about derivative, you should think about slope. So what's the slope of 80? Of 80x, excuse me. So the slope of 80x is just 80, right? And then remember that I said the derivative of a constant, so negative 31 is going to be 0. So minus 0. So then you simplify it. You're going to say 12x and then raised to the 3 minus 1. So that's 12x squared minus 60x plus 80. And this is what is going to be defined as f prime of x. This little apostrophe here stands for prime. So f prime of x is your derivative. So this is your answer. Let's do 2 more. So let's say we have f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. So the same thing. You're going to bring the 3 down, so 3. So f prime of x, it's going to be 3, and then you're going to do x times x, and then you're going to do 3 minus 1. So bring the little number down, and then subtract by 1. Similarly, you're going to bring the 2 down here, so 3x squared, you're going to say 2, and you're going to do times 3, and you're going to say x, and you're going to do to the 2 minus 1 power, right? So that's 3x, right? Or really it's 6x, but we're going to simplify it. And then what is the derivative of 4x, or the slope of 4x? The slope of 4x is 4, right? So plus 4. And then remember, the derivative of a constant is 0, so it's going to be minus 0. So really, notice how every part kind of matches up with every, just so you guys understand, it's like this. Like this, like this, like this. So and then so like this, and then like this. Okay, I'm taking the derivative of everything, so then this will give me 3x squared, 3x to the second power, minus, it's going to be 2 times 3, so that's 6x squared, or sorry, 6x, because it's 2 minus 1, so it's 6x, and then plus 4. So this is my derivative, f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. And then that is my derivative there, okay? So that is the power rule, okay guys? I only did about maybe 2 problems. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And please like, comment, and or subscribe. And also remember that I have a Discord. I will link the description down below. I will link the description to this down below. This is my Discord. It is Aussie's Math Tutoring, which is like right here. So it's right up here. Please, 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 if you can, please join my Discord. I post a lot of problems on there. So, yeah. And so, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.